Asoso project nyali tinedu. Asoso project tinedu. Take your project to weekend and leave it there. Project, he will surely deliver them. When you put your trust in it, take your project to weekend and leave it there. And no more APC, no more, no more, no more, no more APC, no more APC, no more, no more, no more, no more, no more APC, no more, no more, no more, no more APC. And we go. What you are seeing in the other party is business concern. You take this one, I take this one. Do you understand me? That's what the people say. Hey, we're in car. It ain't car. Your name is Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. You are a miracle working God. Your name is Yahweh. So they're all struggling. Who becomes this? Who does not become this? We are not talking about the interests of Nigerians. 3 weeks ago, I told Nigerians that there is a conspiracy not to have a free, fair, transparent election in 2023. And that conspiracy was very clear. And I told Nigerians, Mr. President will not sign the Electoral Act amendment. Some people were saying, no, the president has promised free and fair, transparent election, and therefore he was going to sign. I said, Mr. President, I know. This government, I know. This SPV, Special Purpose Vehicle, I know, will not allow Mr. President to sign it. Has it not happened? Has he signed it? And of course, I'm not disappointed because I know their modus operandi. I know their style. I know their strategy. We can see everything turning around, everything turning around, everything turning around. Oh yeah, we can see everything turning around, everything turning around, everything turning around for our good.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.